Man, I got my work cut out for me today. Get it! I'm going to be pruning this thing. It needs a haircut. Now, I'm all against cutting hair, as you know by me. But we need this to be aerated down here. We need wind and air getting to the soil so it can dry, so we don't create fungus and all types of negative things. So, let's get to it. While I'm doing this, I must say that one of the things you do want to focus on is getting the down-facing leaves. You want to get those because they're facing downward and they could possibly touch the dirt, and that's where bacteria lives, and they can travel right up and it can infect your plant. We don't want that. Oh, now it's naked. And that's pretty much it for that one. I have a few others to do, and yeah. And you can catch me soon for another video. And as always, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit subscribe. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.